Chocolate soufflé. Recipe ingredients 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. Dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. 3 large eggs, separated into yolks and whites. 50 grams, 1/4 cup. Granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter for greasing. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder or flour for dusting. Instructions 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a baking tray inside to heat. 2. Prepare the ramekins. Grease 4 ramekins with butter and dust, the insides with cocoa powder or flour. This will help the soufflés rise evenly. 3. Melt the chocolate. Melt the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, double boiler, or in the microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring each time until smooth. Let it cool slightly. 4. Combine the egg yolks. Stir the egg yolks into the melted chocolate until fully incorporated. 5. Whisk the egg whites. In a clean, dry bowl, whisk the egg whites until soft peaks form. Gradually add the sugar while whisking and continue until stiff peaks form. 6. Fold the mixture. Gently fold 1/3 of the whipped egg whites into the chocolate mixture to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining egg whites, making sure not to deflate the mixture. 7. Fill the ramekins. Divide the mixture evenly between the prepared ramekins. Level the tops with a spatula. 8. Bake. Place the ramekins on the preheated baking tray and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the soufflés have risen and have a slight wobble in the center. 9. Serve immediately. Dust with powdered sugar if desired, and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor. Enjoy your perfectly light and fluffy chocolate soufflés.